Tired of doing mental math every time you browse Airbnb? Let's ditch those dollar signs and switch to Indian rupees in just a few simple steps. First things first, head over to the Airbnb website or open your Airbnb app. Look for your profile icon, usually in the top right corner on the website or the bottom right on the app. Click on it. That's your gateway to account settings. A drop-down menu will appear. You're looking for the account option. Give that a click. Now you're on your account settings page. On the left side, find and click on personal info. It usually contains details like your name, email, and phone number. Scroll down within the personal info section. You'll see an option labeled currency. It likely displays US dollar or USD right now. Click on the drop-down menu next to currency. A list of currencies will pop up. Scroll through until you find Indian rupee or INR. Select it. After selecting Indian rupee, make sure to click Save Changes. This is important to ensure your new currency preference is applied. And that's it. Now, browse Airbnb and see all the prices displayed in Indian rupees. No more currency conversion headaches. You're all set to easily view and manage your bookings in your preferred currency.